Yes, hello. Today we are going to look at how to pass practical exams in graphic design. We'll be looking at the tips and strategies to excel in your graphic design practicals. First, you need to understand the task. Read the instructions very well carefully. Identify the client's problem or design brief. Know the target audience, purpose and format required. If you're required to design a poster, a logo or a brochure, etc., sure you check on that. Plan before you design. Sketch your ideas on paper first. Choose the right color schemes. Typography. Remember typography, you talked about the way the design looks in text. We have the layout style, and you also need to set your document size and resolution correctly. You need to follow the design principles. With the design principle, we talked about it being the rules of the design. You need to apply balance, contrast, alignment, hierarchy, and proximity. You need to maintain the harmony and readability. Ensure your document or whatever you're designing is readable. Ensure all elements communicate the intended message. The other part, we have use correct tools and techniques. Master the main tools. We are having Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, CorelDRAW. Use the correct tools. If you're using Canva to design, use it correctly. Use layers, grids, and guides for organization. And of course, the last part, you need to save and name files properly. E.g., you're saving it as PDF format, PNG format. If you're asked to save it in PDF, go to Save As. Save as type, choose if you are saving as PDF or JPEG. And always remember, you need to save your work in your folder. If the instruction says you need to save your work in a certain folder, you've named it this way, ensure that one is done correctly. Allocate time for planning, designing, and reviewing and exporting. Avoid spending too long on minor details. Keep track of submission deadlines. Another thing, you need to check on quality and accuracy. Review spelling, alignment, color consistency, and image quality. Save both the editable and final version. If you are the final version, you can always go back and make some adjustment or edits. But when you save it as PDF, you can't always edit. So you need to save it in two ways. Present professionally. You need to include your name, registration number, and unit code if required. Keep your workspace tidy and files organized. Be ready to explain your design decision if asked. Practice regularly. Recreate existing designs for practice. Challenge yourself with timed exercise and seek feedback from your trainers and peers. Another thing I need to add, you need also to save your work correctly. Whatever the observation checklist is requiring you to save, read first the observation checklist. If you are creating a menu design, check the name of the restaurant. Is there marks for the name of the restaurant? Is there a mark for the prices? Is there marks for the contact details? So always read the observation checklist until the end, so you know what is required from you.